What if I told you that you could unlock GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude, MidJourney-level image generators, and even other advanced tools for free, unlimited, and 100% legal? Normally, people pay $20, $50, sometimes even hundreds of dollars every month for these tools. But today, I'm going to show you how to access all of them inside a single platform. No hacks, no shady tricks, just a genius backdoor that lets you test the world's best AI models completely free. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'll walk you through a workflow that not only saves you money, but can also turn these tools into content that makes you money every day. In this video, you're going to discover how to create powerful applications from scratch without writing a single line of code, transform simple ideas into breathtaking images that look like they belong in a movie, and design eye-catching thumbnails in the style of Mr. Beast thumbnails so good they'd normally take hours in Photoshop. But here, you'll make them in just seconds, all completely free. And hey, if you're watching right now and you want to stay ahead of the AI game, pause for just a second, hit like, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe. Because every week, I reveal strategies and hidden AI hacks that could literally change your life. You don't want to miss what's coming next. The platform is called LLM Arena, and this is where all the magic happens. It's designed to give you free access to the latest premium AI models, so you can test them out and even provide feedback that helps improve their performance. Just search for it or click the link I've left in the description. Once you log in with your Google account, you'll find 3 powerful options waiting for you at the top left. Battle mode puts 2 anonymous models head-to-head on the same task, and you get to decide which one delivers the better result. Side-by-side comparison lets you choose your favorite models and compare their outputs directly, giving you a clear sense of strengths and weaknesses. And finally, direct chat allows you to work with a single model of your choice, like having premium AI right at your fingertips, completely free. Let's start with direct chat. Here, I'll select GPT-5. On most platforms, this would easily cost between $20 and $200 a month, but on LLM Arena, you get full access for free. To show you how powerful this is, let's imagine you want to build a calculator app, but you have zero coding knowledge. I am going to type in a detailed prompt asking GPT-5 to generate a full set of instructions for an app builder that can create a calculator with a clean UI, basic arithmetic functions, and compatibility across desktop and mobile. In just seconds, it gives me a complete blueprint. Now, I take that output to Lovable AI, which is a platform that lets you build anything you can imagine with zero coding experience. Paste it in, hit generate, and within moments the calculator is ready. Fully working, error-free, and designed without me writing a single line of code. If you wanted to publish this app, hosting would cost just a few dollars, but the expensive part was done by AI, completely free. Now let's move into image generation. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed yet, pause, like this video, and subscribe right now, because what I'm about to show you is next level. Inside LLM Arena, I will switch to the side-by-side comparison option and activate the image generator. For this demo, I'll put Google's Imagen 4 against Gemini 2.5 Flash image, also known as Nano Banana. Here's the prompt: a hyper-realistic inside view of an abandoned military camp, dimly lit with shafts of dusty sunlight piercing through broken windows, cracked walls, old helmets, cobwebs, rusted rifles, all captured with a cinematic lens and moody lighting. I hit generate, and after a few seconds, both images are ready. On the left, we have Nano Banana, and honestly, the result is absolutely mind-blowing. The level of detail is insane. You can see the worn-out helmets scattered across the floor, rusted rifles abandoned in the dust, cracked and peeling walls, and thick cobwebs draped over the entire space. It feels like a scene straight out of a cinematic war movie, so realistic you'd swear it was captured with a professional camera. On the right, we've got Imagen 4, and it also delivers a hauntingly powerful version with its own artistic flair. The helmets, the broken bunks, the aged rifles, it all comes together to create an atmosphere so immersive, you almost feel like you're standing inside that forgotten camp. Honestly, the difference between the two is razor thin. Both images are phenomenal, and in my opinion, this one's a tie. But I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and let me know which one you think deserves the win. Finally, let's tackle a problem every creator faces: thumbnails. A thumbnail can literally make or break your video, and top creators like to spend hours perfecting them. But with the right AI, you can design one in under a minute. This time, I'm switching back to direct chat, selecting Gemini 2.5 Flash, and enabling the image option. The reference thumbnail I'm using comes straight from a Mr. Beast video, and we're going to recreate it in less than 30 seconds. For originality, I'll upload my own photo to replace his, and I'll even tweak the design by swapping the human skull with a lion skull to make it unique and copyright safe. Then I'll paste in my carefully crafted prompt, by the way. If you want to try this exact thumbnail out for yourself, I'll leave the prompt in the description. I'll go ahead and hit generate. Within seconds, I've got a professional, high-performing thumbnail that looks like it came straight out of Photoshop, but without the hours of editing or the cost. If you've been struggling with thumbnails or wasting countless hours designing one, that ends today. With this hack, you can take inspiration from the best-performing thumbnails online and recreate them in your own style fast, simple, and effective. And that's it for today. You now know how to unlock the world's most powerful AI tools completely free and start creating apps, research, generating images, and thumbnails that normally cost creators hundreds of dollars. The only difference now is you're not just consuming AI, you're using it to save money and even make money. If you found this video valuable, don't just click away, smash that like button, drop a comment with the tool you're most excited to try, and hit subscribe because I've got even more insane AI hacks coming your way. Also, check the description for the links and prompts I used so you can start experimenting today. Trust me, the sooner you dive in, the faster you'll get ahead of everyone else still paying full price. See you in the next video where I'll reveal another hidden AI strategy you won't believe is possible.